Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Jose and we have been discussing the short story Darjeeling written by Kamala Das, and we have seen that a lady collapsed due to a heart attack, and she was shifted to hospital, and we saw the thoughts of her husband. So let's continue. So when we stopped last day, we have seen that the husband or the protagonist is standing near that ICCU watching his wife, and he shivered. And let's continue. See, now he was called aside by a doctor or a medical staff there, and he was told that his wife will be all right. She is fine right now, and she'll be all right soon. And the doctor said that she had a cardiac arrest and she had infection. Infection means, tissue death caused by the obstruction in flow, or due to inadequate blood flow. Okay, inadequate blood flow കാരണം tissues ഒരു ഏരിയയിൽ ഡൈ ആവുന്ന ഒരു condition. And doctor also says that it's rare in women of her age to have this condition. And then he inquired whether she's suffering from any mental strain problem, or whether she has any secret tension. And for this, husband replies that no, I don't think so. She is not that worrying type. And the funniest part is here, or the notable part is here, he also adds that he do all the worryings at home. He, replies, I do all the worrying at home. See, here what we can see, general thought of people, a mass opinion that ഒരു വീട്ടിൻ്റെ ഭാരം വിഷമങ്ങളെല്ലാം ചുമക്കുന്നത് ആ വീട്ടിലെ പുരുഷൻ മാത്രമാണെന്ന്. പുറത്തുപോയി അധ്വാനിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുവരുന്ന ആ മനുഷ്യൻ മാത്രമാണ് ആ വീട്ടിലെ ഭാരം ചുമക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തി എന്നൊരു ഒരു ഒരു പൊതുധാരണയുണ്ട്. സി ഹിയർ ദ വേർഡ്സ് ഓഫ് ദറ്റ് ഹസ്ബൻഡ് ഓൾസോ ടെസ്റ്റിഫൈ ദാറ്റ് ഹി ഈസ് ഡൂയിങ് ഓൾ ദ വറീസ് എന്ന്. സി വീട്ടിലുള്ള ഒരു ഹോം മേക്കർ എന്നിവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന ആ സ്ത്രീ ആവാം ഒരു പക്ഷേ കൂടുതൽ ടെൻഷൻസ്, കൂടുതൽ ഫ്രസ്ട്രേഷൻ അനുഭവിക്കുന്നത്. ടു ഹാൻഡിൽ ദ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ, ടു റൺ ദ ഹോം, ആൻഡ് പുറത്തുനിന്ന് വരുന്ന ഇയാളുടെ ടെൻഷൻ, ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ ടെൻഷൻസ്, അതിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഷീ ഈസ് ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് four walls. She wishes to see that snow. She want to drape a red saree. പക്ഷെ അതൊന്നും നടക്കുന്നില്ല. ഫുൾഫിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാതെ പോകുന്ന കുറേ സ്വപ്നങ്ങളും മാത്രമായി ടെൻഷനുമായി ഒതുങ്ങി കഴിയുന്ന, often in most families ഈ ആഗ്രഹങ്ങളെല്ലാം അൺറെക്കഗ്നൈസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് ആ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ കമലാദാസ് ഇവിടെ എന്താ ഒന്ന് നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കാണിക്കുകയാണ്. അൺഫുൾഫിൽഡ് ഡ്രീംസ് ആൻഡ് ഡിസയേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ വുമൻ ഇൻ ഹോം വിച്ച് ഈസ് നോട്ട് at all recognized. So during this conversation with doctor, the writer is revealing the protagonist's name, the husband's name. He is Raghavan. So doctor asked him not to worry and to go home and have a good rest. So he left, and at that night he fed the child with rice and laddu that his wife had made last day, that morning. And then he sat for writing few letters. He'll have to inform his father-in-law and then the older children who are at school hostel. And then he remembered that these can wait. Okay, അത് പിന്നെ ചെയ്താലും മതി, but letter to the bank is important. So he wrote a well drafted letter to the bank for granting him 500 rupees. Then he started thinking about his that skill, efficiency in writing or efficiency in preparing drafts, because at his office he is often complimented by his colleagues and boss for his efficiency in preparing drafts in English well. Even the boss had once said that only last week boss told him, he called him to his cabin and said that this boss had worked under Mr. Ishwara ICS, a man, and he is proficient in English and he can write letters well. And then he admires our Raghavan that ഈ ഈശ്വര ICS കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഏറ്റവും നന്നായിട്ട് ലെറ്റർ ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന വേറൊരാളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ആരാണ്? നമ്മളുടെ രാഘവനാണ് എന്ന് ബോസ് അദ്ദേഹത്തെ കോംപ്ലിമെന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. And then Raghavan was sitting on a stable, thinking all these things, writing the letter. And suddenly the child sat upon his bed and asked, Appa, when are we going to Darjeeling? See, he innocently asked when we are going to Darjeeling. And now Raghavan went and laid near him. Raghavan could smell ghee, sense the smell of ghee from the kid's mouth. And he kid embraced his father and slowly slipped into a sleep. And then also he said, we must go to Darjeeling, Amma wants to see the snow. See, kids absorbs things easily. Even if we say something for one time once, they'll catch it immediately and they'll repeat it. So ഇവിടെ അവനൊരു ആഗ്രഹം കൊടുത്തതാ ഡാർജിലിംഗിൽ പോവാമെന്ന്. So this kid is repeating that. അവൻ്റെ ഉറക്കത്തിലും അവൻ അതാ ഓർമ്മ, ഡാർജിലിംഗിൽ പോകണം. And he also got another sentence or phrase told by Raghavan. See, Amma wants to see the snow. There ends our story, where the readers are told about the unfulfilled wishes of this woman. There ends our story. We are not said whether she recovered or not. Anyway, there ends the story. Now let's have a short analysis of the story. And this the first point is that this is a real portrayal of the most Indian middle class family, to be frank. So we can sense these type of situations around us for sure. And Raghavan, the protagonist, or I mean the husband in the story, is caught between the harsh realities of world and his family life. See, we can justify, we can find justification to say that he couldn't fulfill his wife's wishes because of his financial problems. But at the same time, Raghavan is a kind of workaholic person who thinks that for the sake of family I'm working. But he is unable, or he can't recognize what his wife really wants in her life. Yeah, even he is finding excuses to quench or to what suppress her desires, like where once she asked for a red sari and he replied that we are both no longer young, and even the prime minister said that the middle aged must not celebrate their birthdays. So he is finding all those excuses to suppress her desires. And another point is that Kamala Das is firmly showing the dilemmas of an ordinary life when it comes to the financial thoughts about how to handle or how to find that financial needs, or how to meet that financial needs. We can find that common dilemmas of an ordinary family. And Raghavan thinking on whether to sell the diamond ring or not, or to keep it for future use of the child, need of the child, that is an example. And the story ends in uncertainty, as we mentioned earlier. We don't know whether she recovered or she died. Anyway, we can hope, the readers can hope that she recovered. So that's about the story, Darjeeling. And as your assignment, please write your comments on the appropriateness of this title, Darjeeling. Thank you.